Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to set guys face lock on Oppo phone device. Friends, you want to set up guys your face lock settings, so how to set up face lock and how to use it. Today friends I am going to show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. Friends, click on phone password setting, and friends click on add face, and friends click on continue. So and first of all guys, we will have to set a lock screen, any password, any pattern. So friends, you don't have, so guys we will set first guys. I will select pattern. Friends, you can select pin also. So I will draw here and friends wait here, continue option, tap here. Friends, show your face. Friends, after show your face guys, only 4 and 5 seconds friends, your face lock will set, and friends click on done option, and friends come back. Friends, you can use guys your face lock. Friends, off your screen and guys on your screen. So friends, you want to on your screen to show your face. So when you will show your face guys, your phone will unlock guys, automatic. And friends, you can unlock your phone to draw your pattern also. So friends, draw your pattern, your phone will unlock. So like the guy, we can set face lock and we can unlock our phone to show face. Friends, again click on phone setting, and friends click on password setting, face setting. Friends, tap here, draw your pattern, and friends, you don't want to use face lock, and friends you want to use guys your face lock on app lock. So you can on, so guys when you will unlock your app, so guys when you will show your face, your phone, your app will unlock. So guys we will click on face, get the delete option, tap here. So guys your face lock will delete, and friends you can see guys we cannot use face lock on lock screen. Face lock will delete guys. So guys you cannot unlock your phone to show your face. Guys, you can unlock your phone to draw your pattern. So like that guy, we can set up face lock, we can set and we can change. Oh sorry guys, we can delete. So I hope friends you understood how to set and delete face lock on Oppo phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.